Hello, fellow humanoids. Daisy here, and welcome back to my Totally Rad channel. Today we're counting down 15 of the weirdest animal names. Number 15, Hummingbird Hawk Moth. These make noises just like a normal hummingbird. They feed from flowers just like normal hummingbirds, but they look like a giant moth. Forever ago, I owned a 92 Lumina in a pretty square car, and I had no air conditioning, so my grandpa strapped a tube onto my side mirror, and we forgot to put a net in it, and I was driving along, and one of those big hummingbird hawk moths came through my little pipe and pegged me straight in the throat. It hurt so bad, I had to pull over and catch my breath. It was awful. I had this giant bruise on my throat. Oh god, it was a horrible experience. Number 14, Leafy Sea Dragon. It is a member of the pipefish and seahorse family, and these are those little leafy looking seahorses that you see at like aquariums and stuff. Number 13, Mustached Puffbird. They're found in Colombia and Venezuela, and they have like little tough mustaches on their lips. They are called the puffbird because they're puffed up and look like they could probably kick your butt. Number 12, we've got the chicken turtle, which they're called a chicken turtle because I guess they taste like chicken, and they're a very uncommon freshwater turtle, but they're actually sold and people buy them because they taste like chicken. Number 11 is the hellbender, a species of giant salamander about 2 feet long, and it's also known as the snot otter. Those are those long, slimy salamanders. They're really slimy. Number 10, we have the screaming hairy armadillo, which is exactly how it sounds. It's a tiny little hairy armadillo, also known as the small screaming armadillo or the crying armadillo, and it's from southern and central parts of Southern America. Number 9, we have the pink fairy armadillo, smallest species of armadillo, found in Argentina in sandy plains, dunes, and scrubby grasslands. Number 8, we have the wonderpuss. Fitting because it's an octopus with 8 wings. Its body is covered by spots while its arms are covered with bars and stripes. I'm gonna poop my pants. I'm getting all sweaty and cold. Number 7, pleasing fungus beetle. They feed on plants and fungal matter. Some are important for pollinating, and the rest are basically coined as pests. Number 6, the fried egg jellyfish. Gets his name because it looks exactly like a fried egg. It eats zooplankton and smaller jellyfish. 5, ice cream cone worm, otherwise known as the stuff from nightmares. This marine worm lives in tubes that it builds itself up to 5 centimeters long just out of sand. This is how they get the name ice cream cone worm, is because their little sand homes look exactly like little ice cream cones. Mountain chicken. This one is so high on the list just because it's not actually a chicken. The males are smaller than the females, which can get up to 21 centimeters long, and they are also known as giant ditch frogs. Number 3, the red-lipped batfish. It's known for its bright red lips and weird bat-looking arms. It doesn't swim very well, so it uses its highly adapted pectoral fins to walk on the ocean floor. Number 2 is also a scary little monster, otherwise known as the goblin shark. Its flabby, mushy body and small fins suggest it is slow and sluggish. It lives deep down in the bottom of the sea, with the adult goblin sharks living further down than the baby ones. Number 1. Spiny lumpsucker. It's a small little fish, and its pelvic fins form a suction disc. That's all the facts and animals that I have for you today. If you guys find any other weird named animals or oddly unique ones, please comment their names down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good night, guys, and I'll see you next time.